Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Foodie Yugal. In this video, I will explain you how to get ECA from WES for Express Entry or PNP. First, go to Google and type WES Canada. Then go to the first official link. Here, there are two options other than Canada, but we will select Canada here. The website also shows the current average processing times, and this gives you an idea on how much time it will take for your process. The next step is to click on sign in, and there will be a login screen where you can enter your information if you already have the account, and if you don't have an account, you click on new to WES, create an account. Then you will see the screen which says that where will you use your evaluation. We are using it for Canada, so let us select the option Canada. Then this is used for the ECA application for IRCC for immigration purposes. So we'll select this option. Then we need to enter our email address. Click on next. Then we will get a verification code which we need to enter here and click on submit code. Next, continue. Then you will have to enter your basic details such as your given name, your middle name and your family name. If you do not have a family name, then click on the checkbox I do not have a last name or a family name. Then enter your date of birth. The next step is your WES reference number. We don't have it yet, so we will click no. Email address is already shown, so we will select a strong password. We will re-enter it in the next box. Then we will have to select a security question and answer. Remember this in case you want to restore your account. Then if you want to subscribe to the WS newsletter, click on the checkbox, else do not do it, and then click on create account. Once your account is created, you will have to fill on additional information. The information which we entered previously is already available. Now we will enter the additional information like our gender and the telephone number. Since I am in Canada, I am mentioning the Canadian number, and you can also mention your Indian number here by selecting relevant country code and the number. Click on next. Then it shows a certain information like which documents you will need if you have a bachelor's degree, master's degree or a PhD. On this screen, you will click on add credential, which will open up a dialog box where you need to enter all the information regarding your credentials such as country of education, type of education, name of the institution. In my case, it is Gujarat Technological University. Then we enter name of the diploma or certificate. For my case, it is Bachelor of Engineering. Then we enter the exact name that appears on our credential. For me, it is the same. Then we will enter the field of study. Then the year in which the degree is awarded to you, which is mentioned on your degree certificate. Then the years attended, you will have to mention the years where you attended the college. Click on save and you will see that it is added here on the screen. And just click on the pop-up here and verify the information. Click on next and proceed. Now you will have to enter your address where you want the hard copy of the WES report. Let us mention a random Indian address here. You can mention your address in your application. Then your city, state and PIN code. There are two delivery methods. First is standard mail by Canada Post and second is international courier. You can select any one of them. Canada Post is slow and international courier is fast. So if you are in urgent need, select international courier. Then the second recipient is IRCC, which is added by default. This is a mandatory recipient and it cannot be deleted by us because they will be sending a soft copy to the IRCC based on our reference number. If you have to apply to any PNP, then we can add the program as a recipient. Otherwise, we will just see that it is sent as a electronic copy and then click on next. You will see that the processing time is generally 35 days, but it is after the payment and receipt of all the documents. So with this package, it is 248 Canadian dollars. Click on next. Now this screen will show you the required documents for you. It will show your education details which you entered. Now on this screen, just go through it properly, which will show you all the details. Like if you have an Indian master's degree, that you must also provide your bachelor's degree document, because for Indian master's degree they do not complete an evaluation without these documents. But here also there are exceptions. Make a note of them. For my case, there are two documents that I need to submit. First is the final degree certificate, which I have to upload a scanned copy. And second is the statement of marks. This is a university issued and attested document, which will be sent by my university to WES. Since my university and WES have a tie-up, it will be sent electronically directly to WES. I have to raise a request to my university student portal, and we have also made a video on how to do that, and that video will follow soon. If by chance we need to send official transcript document in a sealed envelope from the university by mail, then these are the two addresses where we have to send them. We have to select any one option if we are sending by postal mail, or if we are sending by courier, we select the other option. And this is just for your information. If your university has a tie-up, they will send it directly, and you need not to send any document to them physically. Currently, the WES reference number is not shown here. It will be shown after the payment is done in full. After reviewing all the details properly and thoroughly, click on next. Here you will have to review all the details that you entered, your profile information, your education information. It will show you the processing time. It will show you the recipient information and the total price without the taxes. Then you click on all the applicant acknowledgements and click on OK. Then on the next screen, you will have to confirm that the name and the date of the birth that you have entered are accurate, because you cannot change them after you apply. Click on the checkbox and click on confirm. If you are not a resident of Canada, you do not need to pay the 13% HST, so you can select that option. But if you are a resident of Canada, you have to pay 13%. So select the relevant option and click on continue. Here, select the relevant payment method, click on submit. Now proceed with the payment. In my case, I will just cancel it right now. Now I will show you certain samples. First sample is the WES ECA in progress. This is for my wife Susmita. It is currently in progress. The reference number is generated because we have made the payment. Currently it is in progress where they are processing my document, and the status was last updated on 11th of March. We created an account on 11th March. We submitted the application on the same day and made the payment on the same day, so we received the reference number. These are the required documents for her. The first is the degree certificate, which we have uploaded the scanned copy in my account. Second is statement of marks, which is the electronic copy of the transcript, which we have already requested and sent it officially by the university. And as I said, you can see the reference number here in the postal and the courier details. So now, after completing all the steps, we are just waiting for the evaluation to complete, and I'm expecting it will be done in a week or two. So this is where we uploaded the document. You can see the document is uploaded and it was submitted on 11th of March. Now I will show you the other sample where the ECA is completed. It is for me, which I had done in 2020. As you can see that my account was created on 5th of October 2020, and the document by document evaluation was completed on 8th of October in 3 days. So if we see the details, I made the payment on the same day. The application was submitted and we got it on 8th of October in 3 days. This is the report copy which I got. You can see the name, date of birth, and the date of the receipt of the VES report reference number and the Canadian equivalency. And you can see that the documents were sent directly by the institution, and it shows all the details of the degree that you entered. Thank you for watching